We now have a new save option, Save Copy As, which is very useful for schematic and PCB designs, as well as design technology files. Currently, we have Save, which saves the file with the current name, Save As, which renames the current file, and Save All, which behaves the same as Save, but for all of the design files. The new Save Copy As does not update the current file, but as described saves a copy with a new name. More importantly, for schematic and PCB designs, it removes the association with the current project and prevents issues with the new and current designs being linked back to the same project. Here we illustrate the current PCB being saved to a new folder with a new file name. An important point to note is the current project does not change. The PCB file is the same as it was. The renamed copy is displayed in the recent files list and when opened has no association with the previous project. Save Copy As is also useful for project technology files. Here we open the 6-layer project technology file and in the design technology change some layer colors. Using Save Copy As, we can create the new project technology file without changing the original. Close the current editing window, but make sure you select No to updating that, or you will have your changes saved to that file as well. Here we illustrate a new PCB design using the newly created project technology file. As you will see, your PCB has the layer colors correctly loaded.